Let's talk about how to create a Gantt chart by using Excel in this video. A Gantt chart is an alternative of the project time schedule diagram. They both can show when an activity should be done. They both can show the time schedule for a project management. The textbook just talked about the diagram, but it didn't talk about how to create a Gantt chart. Some classmates asked me about it. So let me show you how to create a Gantt chart by using Excel in this video. First, we need to create 3 columns. They are activity, start date, and duration. In the activity column, you want to show all activities you listed in a WBS chart. Let's use this WBS chart as an example. Notice that we have a cleaning data, combining data, ANOVA test, and the time series analysis, 4 activities. So we need to list these 4 activities into the activity column in the Excel spreadsheet. By the way, when you create a Gantt chart, you don't need to list the project goal and the main categories. You just list the particular activities. So let's do this. Let's go to the spreadsheet and then type in cleaning data, combining data, ANOVA test, and then time series analysis. These are the activities we need to do in a project, right? And then in the start date column, we want to list the starting date for each activity. Let's say I want to start cleaning data from March 1st. And then in the duration cell, you want to estimate how long it will take for you to clean the data set. Let's say we estimate we need 7 days. So in duration, we type in 7. And then we need to go to the next activity. We need to estimate the starting date for combining data. Let's say we need to do this after we cleaning data. So let's type in March 8th as the starting date for combining data. And then we estimate we need 1 day for combining data. So let's type in 1 in the duration cell. Next, we need to estimate the starting date for ANOVA test. Let's say we can perform ANOVA test right after we cleaning data. So the starting date for ANOVA test would be March 8th as well. Let's type in March 8th. And then let's say we estimate we need 2 days to perform ANOVA test. Let's type in 2. In time series analysis, we can estimate the starting date to be March 10th after ANOVA test. Let's say we need 1 day for time series analysis. Let's type in 1. And then these are the time schedule we listed in the spreadsheet. Now we need to visualize this time schedule. We want to show this time schedule in a Gantt chart. This is how. First, I want to select the start date column from B1 to B5. Notice that I include the title row from B1 to B5. And then I want to click the Insert tab on the top. And then I want to click the little triangle on the bar option. Here you need to pay attention. We want to select something called a stacked bar. Let's select the stacked bar. Please don't choose other type of bars, otherwise you cannot create a Gantt chart. We need to select the stacked bar. And then you can see a time schedule starts showing up, right? But this is not the final product. On top of this, we need to click Select Data. If you cannot see Select Data, click the Design tab on the top, and then you will see Select Data. Click on it. Here under the Legend Entries, we want to click Add. And then in the Series Name column, let's click the button of a series name. And then we want to select duration. Click on duration, just the title. And then click confirm. Next, in the series value, we want to click the button and then select the durations for the activities. Next, in the horizontal axis labels, let's click edit. And then let's click the button under axis label range. Here we want to select the activities. Let's select from A2 to A5. And then click confirm. Click OK. And then click OK again. Next, we want to click on any blue bars, any of the blue bars in the chart. Once you click on a blue bar, you can see all blue bars are selected, right? Right-click on the blue bar. And then select Format Data Series. And then select the Fill option. Select No Fill in this case. And then click Close. Last step, we want to click on the categories, the activities on the y-axis. Click on them, and then right-click on the y-axis, the activities. And then click Format Axis. And then we want to check categories in reverse order. And then click Close. Now you can see we have created a time schedule. This is called a Gantt chart. And this is the step for you to create a Gantt chart by using the Excel software. This chart shows you some valuable information about the time schedule. You can look at the time schedule to find out when each activity should be started. And also, the length of each red bar represents the duration of the activity. Also, you can see if two activities have overlaps or not, when each activity should be completed. These are pretty useful information for a project manager to control the progress of the project.